The world's population took over 400 years to grow from 350 million in the year 1400 to 900 million in the year 1800. But just in the last 70 years, the population has exploded from 2.5 billion in 1950 to over 8 billion today. This population growth puts a strain on our planet's resources, and we're expected to hit our population peak by the year 2061. So, where do we go when our planet's population reaches its peak, which it inevitably will? Well, planets inside our solar system are not a solution because none of them are deemed as habitable for human life. However, if we look beyond, the solution may lie in exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system. But the question remains, how do we detect these exoplanets? Well, one promising solution is called the transit method, with which NASA has made thousands of exoplanet discoveries, including many potentially habitable ones.
Hi, I'm Augustia, and I would like to introduce to you Odysseus. Odysseus is an app to help students and space enthusiasts discover exoplanets using the transit method, making the search for new worlds accessible to everyone. I built this app using publicly available NASA data and Python libraries like AstroQuery, AstroPy, Lightcurve, and Plotly to make data processing and visualization intuitive and easy to use. Now I'm going to talk about the data flow of the app. To begin, this app uses publicly available data from NASA. It then uses AstroQuery to fetch the data and process it with AstroPy and Pandas for handling and analysis. The library Lightcurve enables analysis of the light curves, which includes filtering and transit detection, while Plotly provides interactive visualizations of the exoplanet hosting regions that we find and their characteristics on a web interface. Now, let's see the app in action. This is the app's interface where users can analyze transit curves. These dips in a star's brightness are clues that an exoplanet might be passing in front of it. The app also displays an HR diagram, which helps users understand the stars that these planets orbit and explores their characteristics, such as brightness and size. With every new exoplanet that we discover, we get closer to answering the big question, which is, could one of these planets be our next home?
So, while our scientists continue to use the transit method to discover habitable exoplanets, just remember that when you look up, you just might be looking at our new home. So keep your head up, stay curious, and stay bright.